Car dealers, AI is here, and it's not just a fun little chatbot anymore. It's here to take your jobs, your customers, and all of your market share. Okay, not entirely, but with how powerful AI has become and how much money dealerships have made from it, AI is no longer a nice to have. It's a matter of survival for car dealerships. In this video, I'll show you how AI can help you drive more sales, help you manage your inventory like a wizard, help you skyrocket your profitability and operations. Hi, I'm Jim Flint, and over the past 25 years, I've helped my car dealerships generate more than $290 million in net income as their agency partner. My goal with this channel is to share my secrets so that your dealership can profit and thrive during these uncertain economic times. So how can you use AI in 2024 and beyond to help pull ahead of your competitors? The answer might surprise you. But first, we need to understand how AI can actually help impact your business. Let's start with transforming your customer experience. Now imagine a world where every customer feels like your dealership is speaking to them exactly at the moment that they're interested in a car. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's rapidly becoming a reality. In today's world, a one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work any longer. People are looking for a personalized experience. Think of social media, Starbucks, just about anything. And dealerships are no exception. But what's the secret behind this personalized approach? That's where it's time to reveal our first marketing strategy: integrating AI into your customer experience. There's also a common misconception that personalization is just about greeting a customer by name or even knowing their purchase history. But true personalization, especially in 2024, goes much deeper. What does this actually look like? Based on their location and sales data, we use AI to identify the best times for advertising and for upselling to existing customers. We track purchases, page visits, emails, and calls that they respond to. Then we feed them into a platform like ChatGPT, and then we get to see which ads and which content they respond to. We use AI to tailor our programs and content even further. This is the advantage you gain from the dealership down the street. It lets you improve your advertising in days rather than months. Implementing an AI chatbot on your website can actually work. In the last 6 months, AI chatbots have come a long way. You can feed all your customer-facing data into the AI chatbot, and they can respond way faster than a lot of your customer service reps. But is AI chatbots the only way to take AI to the next level? I think not. Well, I was working with a dealership that was doing it all old school. Lots of TV, lots of radio. And it just wasn't delivering results like it did even 10 years ago. Heck, even 3 years ago, pre-pandemic. Once we implemented AI into their systems, not only did they get better closing ratios, they got better grosses, and their customer satisfaction scores went up as well. It was pretty amazing. But what does this mean for you? By embracing AI, you're not just selling cars, you're building relationships, you're building customers. Customers can't help but come to you because you're catering exactly to their needs. Now that we've seen how AI can transform the customer journey, let's tackle another vital aspect of your dealership's success. In a volatile market, guessing which cars will sell is risky. AI lets us make data-driven decisions. It minimizes risk and increases opportunities for sales. And one of the best use cases is inventory management. Now look, we're not vAuto, but we imagine you could predict exactly which cars will sell and stock those in your dealership, right? Sounds crazy, but here's 3 specific examples where we studied the market share, saw what the market was doing, and helped our clients position their inventory levels more effectively, more efficiently, and importantly, profitably. So we use AI to predict what types of models and vehicles your customer wants. We feed the analytics into AI and come up with better answers. It helps you maintain optimal inventory levels. It reduces overstock. And it helps you save on what now is a new expense line item on your financial statement at the dealership. And oh, by the way, the interest expense are a lot higher than they used to be, and the carrying costs are much more significant. Having the wrong product for too long can be painful in more ways than one. The AI analytics that we bring to the table based on your inventory levels actually makes quick inventory adjustments and adapts to sudden market shifts. Now look, you may have vAuto and you may not need this. What advertiser is here to tell you that inventory matters? I am, because if you don't know what's selling to the market, you're going to take whatever you can from the factory and you're going to end up holding it on your lot for longer and putting pressure on the rest of your opportunities to sell cars and make money. This is especially important in a world where a random post on social media can turn a business upside down. Don't think that every competitive advantage isn't important for you. And AI in particular is one of those competitive advantages you should apply to your inventory as well. It helps you stay ahead of the curve. The things that we've talked about so far are pretty neat and helpful. They can help you go to the next level with AI. But in terms of taking it to the ultimate level, it's the the advertising and sales piece of the puzzle. Let's go there next. The game continues to change. Back in 2015 or 16, you could post anything you wanted on social media and get pretty good results. But like I mentioned earlier, that doesn't work any longer. Your content now needs to be extremely intentional, especially in terms of style and personality. Anything less and your audience kind of ignores you. One of the most powerful aspects of AI is using customer behavioral data and creating AI advertising strategies based on what customers actually do on your website. It's amazing. AI is a dream come true for business. It brings in the right customers at the right times. Less shopping, more buying. AI allows us to be more precise, more impactful, more precision oriented to bring in a better advertising ROI. What are some of the practical use cases that we can apply with AI? We combine current data with market research to craft a message that resonates with your make, your model, and your market, and now importantly, your customer. We help you know what to say, how to say it, which creatives to use, and when to use them. We take your current advertising data and create advanced media buying strategies. I can do this in 1 to 2 hours instead of spending months with a team. Now, you've seen just how powerful AI can be, but before you say this is a bunch of theory, I want you to know many of the strategies I talked about today have been applied in the market. So I hope you found this video helpful and that you're able to take some action on some of these tips as soon as you can. And if you run a car dealership and want to take full advantage of the AI capabilities that are available today, like my client Mike Udell did, where he gained tremendous market share, or my client Chris Morrison, who drove incredible net income, then I have a link below this video in the description where you can watch their videos or you can apply to work directly with my team. And if you want a more in-depth look on exactly how to navigate your dealership's advertising strategy in the current digital landscape, AI and all, then I definitely click on this video here where I talk all about that.